Welcome back to the discussion and thank you for always joining us. This is binomial expansion K.c.s.e 2002 paper 2 question number 9. The first part of the question, expand. We have a minus b raised to the power of 6. Remember, as usual, the first term, which is a, will begin with the power of 6. Then we multiply by minus b, which is the second term, but this one begins with 0. The powers of a will move down as the powers of negative b goes up. So from a power 6, we are going to move to a power 5. Then multiply with minus b raised to the power of 1 from 0, plus a power 4 multiplied by minus b raised to the power of 2, plus a power 3 times minus b cubed, plus a power 2 will multiply by minus b raised to the power of 4, plus a power 1 multiplied by minus b raised to the power of 5, and lastly plus a power 0 multiplied by minus b raised to the power of 6. Once we have done that, we now simplify, then insert the coefficients before we move to part b. Negative b squared, negative b power 0 is 1. You multiply by a power 6, this one remains being a power 6. Then because the second part is a negative, we look at the power, and if the power is odd, then the sign becomes a minus. So negative b raised to power 1 is minus b times a power 5. We get minus a power 5b. Next is a plus because the next term is squared. So minus b squared is positive b squared times a power 4. You get a power 4 b squared minus, because 3 is odd, we are going to have a cubed, then b power 3. Next we add, because the power is even, we are going to have a squared, then b power 4. Next we get a minus a, then b power 5, and lastly a power 0 is 1, therefore we are going to have b raised to the power of 6. Next we now insert the coefficients. The coefficients of power 6 will be 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6 and 1. You can read these coefficients from the mathematical table. Then now we are going to multiply back the coefficients into our expansion. So 1 times a power 6 will give us a power 6. Then minus 6 times a times minus a power 5b will give us 6a power 5b. Then next we have plus 15, you multiply by a 4b squared will give us 15a4b squared. Next we are going to have 20, that is minus 20 a cubed b cubed. Next we have a plus 15 a squared b power 4. Next we have a minus 6 a b power 5, and lastly plus 1 times b power 6 will give us b power 6. And at this point the expansion is complete. Once we have done part A of the question, we move to B. Use the first 3 terms of the expansion in A to find the approximate value of 1.98 power 6. So we pick the expansion, which is a minus b raised to the power of 6, and we equate it to, we have 1.98, which is the same as 2 minus 0.02, then we raise to the power of 6. Since 2 minus 0.02 will give us 1.98, we are going to cancel the powers of 6, Then we equate the corresponding components such that A will be equal to 2, and of course B, if negative B is equals to negative 0.02, then B will be 0.02. And once we have gotten the values of A and B, we now substitute them above and get the answer. Remember, we are supposed to use the first three terms, that is from A power 6 to A power 4B squared. So at this point now, we are going to pick A squared, A power 6, sorry. Remember the value of A is 2. We raise it to the power of 6. Then minus, we have A, which is 2 power 5. We multiply by B, which is 0.02, plus we have 15 into A power 4. Remember A is 2. We raise it to the power of 4. Then we multiply by B, which is 0.02 squared. Once we have done that up to this point, we can now make use of our calculator to get the answer. And if you press 2 power 6 minus 2 power 5 multiplied by 0.02 plus 15 multiplied by 2 power 4 times 0.02 squared, the answer will be equal to 60.256, correct to 3 decimal places as the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.